Hey, welcome you to this lesson. This is Suman once again from Marketing Wikipedia team. Now let's choose the theme for your website. So first of all, log in to your website account. You know how to log in. Your domain name slash WP admin and sign up with your username and password. Okay. So before getting started, let's see how your website look like now. From here, you can visit your site. So it's look like this. Okay. So for changing the themes, you need to go to the appearance and then themes. So 2020 themes is automatically activated. So we are going to add new. Suppose you are going to choose a block. Let's see the result from here. Right, block. See, there is lots of option which is based on block, right? And you can choose theme based on popularity. You can see the lots of options, right? And the newest theme, the latest one. Let's choose a beautiful looking theme from here. Let's choose this wow mark. You can see the preview from here, how the website look like. Now let's choose the ocean VP. This is easy to use. Let's start. For beginning, I suggest you to go for light one. It helps in fast loading. And the couple of themes I use, which is Ocean VP, Sparkling, Hestia, Generate Press. So check this theme too. And the choice is up to you. All of this theme are free. Okay, so now activate it from here. Okay, the theme is activated and you can delete any theme from here. We don't need it, you can simply delete it. Okay, so now let's see how the website look like. Okay, this is a simple thing, we need to work on it. Okay, now let's check out some paid themes where you can install your whole website with one click. There is many market like Inverto Market, Theme Forest, best market for paid themes. So let's see Theme Forest. Okay, now add some blogging theme. So you can see from here and got an overview how website look like. Let's choose blogging theme from here. Okay, let's choose this thing. So you can see the preview, the live preview. So your website will look like this. You can see the how amazing is this. From here you can got an overview how your website look like. Okay, which is amazingly good, right? After purchasing they will send you a zip file. Okay, so the price is $49. Simply you just need to drag and drop that file here. Install. You need to drag and drop the file from here, the upload theme. Okay, this is the paid option you can use, and also you can install Astra theme, which gives your blog a premium look, and you will know about it in another lesson. Now let's choose an amazing theme. See you in the next one.